In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate a member account on Slack. Deactivating a member account is the standard way to remove someone's access to your Slack workspace without erasing the history they've already contributed. When you deactivate an account, that person immediately loses access. Any active sessions are terminated and their paid seat is no longer billed on a recurring basis. At the same time, their past messages, uploaded file references, and workspace history remain available, which helps your team preserve important context. Before you begin, make sure you have the correct permissions. Only a primary workspace owner, or workspace admin can deactivate another member account. Regular members and guests won't have access to these controls. To get started, open Slack either in the desktop app or through a desktop web browser. Once your workspace is open, go to the top left area of the sidebar and click on your workspace name. This opens the main workspace menu. From there, scroll until you see Tools and Settings, or in some workspaces, Administration. Hover over that section and then select Manage Members. Slack will open the member management area in a secure admin page in your browser. Once you're on the member dashboard, look for the search field at the top of the member list. Enter the name, display name, or email address of the person you want to offboard. As you type, Slack will filter the list automatically, making it easier to find the correct profile. When the matching account appears, confirm that you've selected the right person before moving forward. Next, go to the far right side of that members row. You'll see the 3-dot More Actions menu. Click it, then choose Deactivate Account from the options that appear. This opens the final confirmation step. A warning window will appear on screen asking you to confirm the deactivation. Review the message carefully. Slack will remind you that the user's message history stays archived, but their current access and sessions will end immediately. If everything looks correct, click the red Deactivate or Deactivate Account button to complete the process. After that, the admin page will refresh. The member's status should change to an inactive state, and their profile will appear under the Deactivated Members section. You can also return to your Slack app and know that once the system sync completes, that person is signed out across desktop, mobile, and browser sessions. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next